Okay. Here we go. Let's go in for a feeding. So I've got to mix up the food first. You can probably hear them starting to go. Starting to wake up. I know it's food time. So yeah, I just got to mix this up. At the same time, it's able to cool down. Yeah, just got to get any lumps out, rub them out. Here we go, we've got one already trying to come out of the box. Hello, you. Hello. You're a little early, mate. You're a little early, you've got to wait for it to cool down a little, mate. Yeah. Hello. Hello. That's the one that got packed by Mum. As you can see, very, very healthy. Thank you. Right, come back in. Oh, no. Right, at the minute, what I'm doing. Hello. Right, so I'm using the fact that the counter's a little bit cold to try to cool the food down. So this process takes a little bit of time. It's worth it. Because it means these guys don't have to wait as long for their food. How's that starting to get to? So I test like that. That's still a bit too warm. Go back onto stirring on the table. And there we go. Yeah, there we go. That's got the temperature down to where it needs to be. So let's let them come. Hello. Hello. Right. Let's have you come to the hole. Come on, guys. Hello. Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out? Come on, then. Oh, hello. Hi. Yeah. Are you enjoying that? Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Come out. Wanna come? Come on. Yeah. Got some more. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Just keep on going. That's one very happy chick. Yeah, you are happy, aren't you? Want some more? Yeah? There we go. This is what I have to do every 4-ish hours. Yeah, 3 to 4 hours during the day. And then at night I'll get away with a shower. Yeah. They love to eat. They love to eat. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. You done? Yes, you done. Now for next. Now for next. Who's next? Who's next? Hello. Hey, here we go. We got number 2. Hello. Oh, yes. How is that? Is that nice? Hi. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Is that nice? Is that nice? This one's for Messy Eater. Oh, yeah, there we go. Alright, next. Next. Come on. Next. Next. No, 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 no. You've had some. You want some more? Yeah, there you go. How's that? Is that nice? There you go. You liking that, aren't you? You are liking that. There you go. Okay. Yeah? Can you go back in? Can you go back in? Go back in. I'm gonna have to let you out the top then. You want some? Yeah? Come on. Let's get you your food, yeah? We've got the one that hasn't had some. Here we go. So, let's go. Do you want some? You hungry? So this is the oldest one. This one hatched on the 17th. It is 3 weeks old today. You're a bit of a messy eater, you are. Yeah. Now you're learning. This one's been a little slow to work out how to eat. But we've got there, haven't we? You make a little bit of a mess sometimes, but you're okay. You're about done, aren't you? Yeah. You're about done, aren't you? Do you want any more? Oh, you're trying that lump. You're trying that lump. Yeah, you are. Is that not working out for you? Here. Sorry about that. Do you want to try it some more? Yeah? Yeah. Is that nice? How are you feeling now? Yeah, you've got food in you now. You're good. Yes, you are. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. 3 weeks old today. And there we go. That concludes the budgie feeding. Thank you very much for watching. As always, keep it 420. Stay medicated, stay hydrated, and as always, keep it lit. Peace out, everyone.